Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm going to be building up my makeup kit and I'm going to be showing y'all everything I got, starting with foundations. I have these foundations from Dior. Love these foundations. And I got 4 different shades to match each client that I may have. So I have this first shade. This is the shade 8N. This shade right here is 1W. I have 6N and 4.5W. So I can end up mixing these foundations if one does not match my clients. I also have these other foundations from L'Oreal True Match. And these are N9, N5, W7, and C3. So these are going to be some additional foundations I'm going to use in my kit. So for concealers, I decided to go with Win Beauty for my kit, and these were very affordable. Ulta Beauty had a sale where they were 75% off for all of Win Beauty products. So I'm building up my kit and I do not want to spend a lot of money, so I definitely had to go and get that 75% off. I also got some lipsticks from Win Beauty for their sale of the 75% off. So let's get into these lipsticks really quickly. First shade is Dare. Ooh, super pretty red. I love this packaging of the Win Beauty products. These lipsticks are super pretty. Love it. Next shade is Brave. This is a pretty brown color. Super cute. Lip combo would eat down with this. Next shade is Amped. This is a pretty pink shade. Super pretty. And the last shade is Cheer. And this is like a burgundy color, super pretty, love it. So I also did get some foundation sticks from Essence Beauty. These were very affordable. They were like $2, $3. So if you're starting your kits, make sure you start affordable. And this is shade 220, 260, and 340. Now I could use these as an additional shade of foundation, or I could use these as like a contour stick, which is really why I got these deep colors, as I can use them as contour sticks. Okay, next let's get into bronzers. So I got some bronzer palettes from Juvia's Place. I got Deep and Tan and Light. I have three of the bronzer palettes from Juvia's Place. And let me just show you the shades really quickly. This is the Deep palette. This is Tan. And this is Light. And then I also have the blushes from Juvia's Place. I have volume 3, which looks like this. And then volume 4, these are the colors, super pretty, super pigmented. Juvia's Place is on sale right now at Ulta Beauty, so if you want to get these palettes, run on over to Ulta Beauty and get your hands on these products before the sale is over. So let's get into powder. So I did end up getting the Easy Bake powder from Huda Beauty. So I always go with Laura Mercier, but I wanted to get into some new products, so I'm going to try out this Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder, and this is Pound Cake. And then I also have these powders from Revolution, Banana and Banana Deep. And then I have a Derma Blend setting powder as well. Now let's get into eyeshadow palettes. I have this eyeshadow palette from Morphe, and it has so many shades for every look that you could think of, going from black to white down here. It also has like some shimmer colors, some browns. So yeah, I love this palette from Morphe. Very versatile, love it. And it was on sale, so very affordable. I also have this eyeshadow palette that I got from Ulta Beauty Collection, and it has a pretty pink shade and some other shimmer shades. I might use this for myself, who knows. I have these pressed powders from Maybelline that I could use as well. These are very affordable, so make sure you get these for your kit. So let's get into the lip pencils. I have several different lip liners from Morphe and NYX. These are some of the shades and colors I have. Just like some brown ones, a pink one, and like a burgundy one. For lip gloss, I have the NYX Butter Glosses. These 3 shades, super pretty. Lip combos gonna eat with these. And then I also end up getting liquid blush from Juvia's Place. Don't forget about your liquid blush. And I love this color, so I definitely had to get one of these for my clients. I got a mascara. This is a pretty affordable mascara that I got from the Dollar Tree. So if you can get some of your products to save money from the Dollar Tree, go ahead if it's just the mascara. And then I also got some Duo Lash Glue. This is the best lash glue. Love it. And then I have like some primer. I'm going to use for my clients from Ulta Beauty Collection. Let's get into setting sprays. I have my good Morphe setting spray, and then I have my One Size Until Dawn setting spray. This is gonna make the makeup last. This is gonna make the makeup glow and last. Yes, set it and lock it in. And then I have some highlight from Revolution and Wet n Wild. Love these. And then for brows, I have the Precisely Brow from Benefit. So let's get into the small things that you are going to need for your kids, like a pencil sharpener. Got this from Ulta Beauty Collection, pretty affordable. And I have these pink sponges to apply setting powder with. I love these. I got these from, I think, SHEIN. They're very affordable if you get them from SHEIN. And then I also have like my disposable items, like my mascara wands and some more powder puffs. Also have some hair clips for my clients. Some scissors. I'm definitely gonna need some scissors. This makeup palette, put all my makeup on this palette right here. And then I end up getting an organizer. Y'all, I've been needing this for so long, and I'm so glad I got my hands on it. It just organizes all of your disposable items, and I love it. Love this. I got it from SHEIN. I'm gonna try to put the link in the description bar for y'all and let y'all get access to all of these products in my description bar, so make sure y'all look out for that. And let me finish putting everything together in my kit and show y'all what I got. Okay, so I end up getting this big old pack of lashes from SHEIN. These lashes are gonna last a long time, and it's good to stock up on lashes and get like a big boatload of lashes, and you can get some from SHEIN. Okay, y'all, here we go. Here's my kit. Got my foundations in this little area. Little knickknacks, powders in this area. Highlight, all my concealers and lip glosses. and all my little lip glosses and little necessities and stuff up here, and in this little pocket pouch over here. And I have all my Juvia's Place bronzers and blush, eyeshadow palettes, mascara, everything like that. And this is my kit. If y'all like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.